Now imagine creating professional ads like this for your own brand in just a few clicks. Whether you sell shoes, clothing, gadgets, or any product, you can now generate high-quality AI commercials without a big team or complicated editing. This entire ad was created for my own product using AI, from the storyboard and visuals to the final cinematic video. And the best part is, I generated everything super easily using a tool called Flova AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created this complete brand advertisement step by step, how the AI generated all the visuals and videos for me, and how you can do the same for your own business or brand within minutes. Link is in the description, do give it a try. First, head over to Google and search for Flova AI. Once you search it, click on the official Flova AI website and simply log in using your email to get started. As soon as you log into Flova AI, you'll see a clean and easy-to-use interface where all your projects, skills, and generators are organized neatly. The main highlight is the skills section, where you can generate videos from scripts, images, reference videos, music, or audio, and even create professional product ads. One really powerful skill is the viral video creation workflow, where you can upload advertisement videos that are already performing well online, and Flova AI will analyze and recreate them shot by shot. This helps creators learn and generate viral-style ads much more easily. So for this project, I'm creating an ad for my shoes brand. I'll simply upload my product image, and Flova AI instantly suggests creative ad ideas and concepts. Flova AI also helps generate a complete creative brief with scenes, style direction, and ad concepts before production starts. You also get access to powerful AI video models like Seedance, Kling, VO3, VO3.1, Sora, and more. For this project, I'm selecting Sora, and once everything is ready, I'll simply click on Generate to create the complete AI-powered advertisement. So as you can see, Flova AI doesn't just generate a video, it creates the entire workflow automatically. First, it generates the storyboard, then the AI images and elements, after that the video scenes, and finally the audio. Once everything is ready, Flova AI automatically assembles the complete edited video for you. You can also customize the visuals, generate reference images, make the ad more product-focused or lifestyle-focused, and even use your own custom prompts. So after setting everything up, I'll simply click on Generate Reference, and Flova AI will start processing the complete project automatically. Now all the reference assets and video elements have been generated, and honestly they look super professional and highly realistic, all in high quality as you can see here.
And the best part is you can further edit or even regenerate everything anytime. You also get access to the branching feature, which lets you instantly create multiple parallel versions of your ad to test different styles and ideas without ruining your previous work. This makes experimenting with edits much faster and easier. You can directly add your own custom prompts to create exactly the style or visuals you want. Personally, I really like the generated elements, so I'm not making any changes, but if you want, you absolutely can. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can generate videos from all the images, regenerate specific assets, switch models or references, or even customize everything with your own prompts. So I'm simply giving my final prompt here, clicking on generate all videos, and then hitting send. So as you can see, our images are now being generated directly using AI. Now all the assets required for the videos have been fully generated, and the final videos will now be created directly using those generated assets. Now, as you can see, all the videos have been completely generated successfully. You can check everything directly on the screen, and after this you also get several advanced controls and editing options. For example, you can retry the generation using different video models, remove or add specific short movie scenes, or even skip certain parts and move directly to audio generation. There are plenty of customization options available depending on how you want your final video to look. But for me, everything already looks perfect and fully completed. Now, as you can see, all the video scenes have been completely generated, so I've simply given the prompt, generate the video for me, and now the audio is being generated automatically. Now, all the audio elements have also been successfully generated for the final video, and now that the audio has been generated, the complete final timeline will be assembled automatically for the video. So now, as you can see, everything for the video has been fully generated, including all the elements, AI-generated video scenes, sound effects, and audio. The complete timeline is now ready, which means the final video has been fully generated successfully.
Sora 2. Elevate your every step.
So, as you saw, the final video quality looks extremely professional and high quality. Now the entire project is completed, and now exporting the final video is super easy. As you can see, there's an export option at the top. Simply click on it, and you'll get multiple options like video format, PR file, and all files. I'm just selecting the video option, and as you can see, the project is now being exported in MP4 format. Once the export is completed, you can simply download the final video. And the best part is, if you want to recreate this later or use the same workflow for another product, you don't have to repeat the whole process again. You can simply save it as My Skill inside Flova AI. This saves your complete workflow, so you can reuse the same style and set up in future projects with just one click. The branding skill also includes professional advertising workflows like cinematic storytelling, cross-cut editing, keyframe control, and brand asset consistency to help create more polished and professional commercials. It also helps you maintain consistency across your videos and makes the entire creation process much faster and easier. Now, as you can see, our skill has been completely generated and is fully ready to use. Everything, any yath from the models and media generation workflow to prompt writing and overall setup has been saved inside this skill. You can also view and edit every part of the workflow anytime you want, including the design, media generation, prompts, and more. So now, I'll simply click on Save as My Skill. I'm naming it Add Skill 01. And if you want, you can also add a description or even upload a custom profile picture for the skill. After that, I'll just click on Create and the skill gets successfully saved. Now, when you go back to the Home section and open the Skills tab, you can see your custom skill added there. This is now my personal AI ad generation workflow, ready to use anytime with just one click. And similarly, you'll also find many other community skills that you can directly use, customize, and generate content from instantly.
So this is the final result for my brand ad. And honestly, Flova AI generated it in a very professional way.
Link is in the description. Do give it a try.